Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Got a great product for you here. It's the home theater outdoor movie mini video projector, which comes with its bag and remote. This is 1080p 4K supported with this projector's 12,000 to 1 contrast ratio. You're going to be getting an exceptionally clear, vivid video projection image. The 838 5G projector with its Wi-Fi connection makes operating so much easier and giving you lag-free video performance. With the 5.1 Bluetooth chips, this portable projector can connect to all your exterior speakers, giving you the great superior sound quality that you deserve in a projector. With the 835 projector, you get a maximum output image of 300 inches, so you can catch those big sports games with a large view. You can also play with the kids. Great video gaming with this to give you the life-size projection you need. Folks, this powerful 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth projector, you can pick it up on Amazon, and they have a coupon to apply to it, $70. So you can get this for $179. That's an incredible price for this projector. And I will leave that link down below for quick and easy access. All right, let's move on to the open boxing and check out the hands review. All right, let's open up the 1080p HD projector by ASAKUKI and see what comes inside. Alright, pulling the hip carry bag out of the box, you can see it's got a really nice heavy-duty zipper on it. The cover's very thick. You can feel it's padded inside to keep your projector safe. Got a smear-proof material on it, and it's the same all the way around. Got a nice little handle on the top to carry. And of course, the first thing we see when we open it up, we have our user manual. And this user manual, I can tell you for sure, is very complete. Has all the parts listing. Tells you how to easily set this thing up and get it up and running with some quick troubleshooting tips too. We have our dust removing kit. Here we have our remote control. It has really nice big keys on it. Easy to use. Pretty much your standard remote, but it does not include batteries, so you'll have to get those. Alright, next we have our 3-in-1 video connector. On one end it has your audios for your RCAs. The other end is your 3.5 millimeter. Next we have our power cable. Next is the HDMI cable. Alright, getting to the projector, you can see here it has a gray matte finish. Looking at the side of the projector, you can see we have the focus ring and the keystone ring. And looking farther to the right, you can see we have the air outlet vent. Taking a look at the front of the projector, you can see here that we have the IR sensor. And we're going to remove the lens cap. And here we have the projector lens. And on the other side, we have another air outlet vent. All right, looking at the back of the projector, we have a lot of things to talk about here. Starting from left, working our way to the right, the removable dust filter. Moving to the right, we have the AC input. Next, looking at the top middle area, you can see we have the IR remote sensor. To the right, 2 USB ports. Next to that is our 3.5 millimeter jack audio output. All right, is the audio video port and HDMI 1 and 2. At the bottom right, you can see our internal speaker. And looking at the bottom of the projector, first thing we see is adjustable tilt foot pad. 4 rubber cushion pads on the bottom and 4 mounting screw holes. On the top side of the projector, you have your power button and your control screen. Okay, let's take a look and see how this projector works and how easy it is to set it up. All right, I got the projector all set up. I'm going to show you a couple examples how you can use it and show you how the quality picture of this projector is. And the first example here I'm going to show you is how to mirror image. So in the menu of the projector, you click on mirror imaging. Next up, you go into your settings. Now I'm using an iPad Pro. So you go into your settings and pull down for a mirror imaging. Click on that and you look for the Wi-Fi that is built in your projector. And it's just that simple. You can see that I've got the mirror of my iPad onto the projector, and there is zero lag with this. Look how fast this is. And the color is incredible. The picture quality is amazing. We'll bring up Hulu real quick. I'll show you here the zero lag in this, and you can go through, pick out any movie you want to watch. It's just amazing. Look at the picture quality there. It matches my tablet. All right, in this example, I have the HDMI cable hooked up to the the projector and then directly into my iPad Pro 13-inch. And I'll show you here how awesome the picture is with this. I'm showing you an online game that I play. It's one of my sailing games. And I quickly want to give you an example how great a movie looks on your projector. So bring up Hulu, go through the menu here real quick, and I want to bring up the newest movie they have in there. It's called Prey. You can see the quality of the video, the sound with the built-in speakers. Really good. I'm very impressed with the speaker sound. You can use this on many different types of apps. I'm going to show you a TikTok video that I randomly picked out.
When you hear the left say, this is about tolerance, this is about inclusion, this is about compassion, you say, yes, it is.
Here's another example, a YouTube video that I randomly picked out. You can see the quality of the picture. Great sound coming from that internal speaker.
A whole army of snitches comes together here. Sharks are there almost immediately when the fishing boats arrive.
Well, folks, that's my review on the home theater outdoor movie mini video projector. Comes with a bag and a remote. Has a screen size up to 300 inches. It's compatible with TV, stick, iPhone, iPads, laptops, and PS5. So it's incredible price, super quality picture. You're going to love this. So I hope this review was helpful. And stay tuned for more videos I got coming up of new products. Again, this is Captain Mark saying, always thank you for watching.